teacher lesson on ant. About tiny teacher lesson. The tiny teacher is a story that teaches about the tiniest teacher we can learn from. It tells us about the ant who can be a great teacher if you look closely. They have a queen ant who lays eggs that become perfect ant. The queen learns all the duties from the old ant and gets ready to survive in the world.
Oh, my Lord.
Yes, my dear, tell me.
Oh, Lord. You will do everything useful. But why you create ants in the world? It is a pretty creature in the world.
No, my dear, I think you did not understand about ants. I will show you. Now see it.
Oh, Lord.
Hi students, I am your new professor Tina George. In our first class, I wish to teach you about the ant. An ant. An ant is the smallest creature in the world. It is also calmest and wisest creature in the world. The study of ant is called myrmecology. Myrmecology is a branch of entomology. Like all insect, an ant's body is divided into three main parts: the head, the thorax, the abdomen, and have a hard waterproof exoskeleton. Antennae are used to feel things. Ants also have a very small brain. Some parts of ants are brain, eyes, digestive tract, stomach, social stomach, large intestine, etc. There are many kinds of ants. Over 12,000 species ants were identified. Ants are social creatures by nature. Some types of ants are red carpenter ant, black carpenter ant, fire ants, black garden ants, pair of ants. Ants work together. They live in a large group called a colony. The weaver ants are able to form nests over a few trees. Ants move in an arranged manner by touching their feelers to pass the message to the identifier of the food location. The place where ants live are called ant hill or nest. Ants make their nest in the underground and they will build very elaborate tunnels and chambers to house eggs, food and their young underground. All ant hills are interlocked connected by tunnels. These small rooms are used for storing food. The worker ants moves the lava up to rooms near the top of the ant hill to keep them warm. A queen ant is an adult reproducing female ant. It flies and selects a male ant and make a colony. She will be the mother of all the other ants. If a queen were died, there is no one to be replace her place. A grub takes 2 to 3 weeks to become a cocoon. This is the cocoon, and again it takes 2 to 3 weeks to become a complete ant. Totally 5 to 6 weeks it takes to become a complete ant. The grubs are carried about daily for airing, exercising, and sunshine by the soldier ant. Ant was strongest one. You know that pour the water near the ant. When it goes up, ant holds the floor tightly after the level of the water increases more than its height. But also ant was so stiff. Ants are undoubtable tiny teacher. We can learn hard work as they spend most time in working. Sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for their young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live.
Presentation by P. Ponnithila, 7th A1. Thank you, friends and teachers.